Hello, I'm Talia Seaton from the Market Herald Studios. It's no secret that the world is trying to transition to a cleaner energy future, and one metal considered a cornerstone of this transition is copper. With a portfolio consisting of the Hillside copper gold project in South Australia and Hog Ranch, an epithermal gold project in Nevada, Rex Minerals says it's well positioned to benefit from this global transition. I'm joined today in the Market Herald Studios by the Managing Director of Rex Minerals, Richard Laufmann. Richard, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you very much for having me, Talia.
Rex has more than doubled the ore reserves at the company's 100% owned Hillside copper gold project in South Australia. Can you give us a quick rundown of the key highlights?
Sure. Well, look, we have more than doubled. We've taken it to 1 million tonne of copper, which is already very significant. But so people are aware, this is an amazing discovery. It's on the Yorke Peninsula in South Australia, and we actually already have a resource of 2 million tonne of copper and 1.4 million ounces of gold. So that's only half the resource, and that would already take the mine life to 33 years. So if we're able to convert the rest, this is easily a multi-generational development for South Australia. And if we compare that resource at 1 million tonne against some of Australia's peers, right? Sandfire is a well-known project. We have considerably more copper metal in Sandfire. And you go down the list to the recently listed 29 metals, and you can see how Hillside stacks up. So it's been a long time coming, but there's a saying about that, and we're maturing at about exactly the right time, I think.
So, Richard, this comes at a fantastic time with copper reaching all-time highs this year. I guess the world has woken up to the crucial role it plays in the future of electricity and electric vehicles. What sort of impact will this have on Rex, do you think?
Well, it's the hinge of history, the decarbonisation of the planet, the electrification of everything, copper, copper, copper. So the copper price is well north of the incentive. It's the right time to build copper projects. We can't get enough of them on planet Earth. This is a nation-building project. I mean, a 33-year mine life. We're ready to kick off. It's fantastic for South Australia. If you can imagine, the whole Yorke Peninsula is a big agricultural part of South Australia, employs about 1,000 people in the ag sector. We're going to employ nearly 500 people just running Hillside. So it's a significant contributor to the state, to the economy, to the employment, particularly on the Yorke Peninsula. So it's great news all round, and it feeds right into the South Australian copper strategy. South Australia knows it was once called the Copper Coast where we are. It built a lot of the state, and I think its time's coming again.
So switching gears now to the US with Rex Minerals' gold project at Hog Ranch in Nevada. We understand things are well underway with its latest drill program. What can you share there?
Sure. I think long-term shareholders are starting to remember the Hog now. It's a catchy name. We've got some drill rigs coming, some drill holes, coming, and we've been waiting on those results, and hopefully they can arrive any day, any week now. They are exciting because they're a bit wildcat. We've had a crack at something in the middle, could be game-changing. We plan to have the drill rig back there in about 4 weeks' time to start another program on some new targets, well outside what we've previously drilled. So, Hog Ranch is it's the gift that keeps on giving for shareholders. It's not in our share price, but it will pay dividends.
Okay, well, sounds like things are definitely full steam ahead for the team. So where to from here?
Very clear. Finance and build Hillside. That's the fun stuff. That's what we've got to do now. The job's ahead of us. We're building our presence and team again in South Australia so that we can move into the construction phase for that project and really change the playbook for Rex and its stakeholders.
Well, thank you, Richard, for your time and for your update. We'll look forward to hearing more soon.
Thanks very much, Talia. Appreciate it.